I will introduce you to 4 AI tools that are little known yet have potential to transform your day-to-day life. 3 out of 4 are completely free and easy to use, so there is really no reason why I shouldn't implement these and save 40 hours or more. And no, this is not a clickbait. You know ChatGPT and you probably think it's old news. That's why I was shocked when, with this simple integration that you can install in your browser, you have a powerful tool that will easily 10x your productivity on some tasks. Here's an example how you can use it. Let's say you want to write multiple articles for your blog, so all you have to do is prepare those topics and watch this. You simply drag and down this formula and that's it. You just wrote 10 articles. Or let's say that your job is to contact all recent customers and send them an email to keep good relationships and possibly increase sales. So if you have a list of those customers and briefly message that you want to send them, you again just drag it down and ChatGPT will write those emails for you. And guess what? I saved myself countless hours, if not days. Imagine what you could accomplish by freeing up that time for more important tasks. And really no one knows about this. ChatGPT has been around for some time, but just 2 million out of 100 million plus users use this specific tool, which is less than 1% of people that use ChatGPT. So using this integration, you can easily exceed others and become more effective compared to 99% of ChatGPT users, not to even mention those that are not even using ChatGPT at all. And to implement this, you don't have to be technical at all. I was able to set it up in less than 5 minutes, and all you have to do is open a new Google Sheet in your browser and install new add-ons, GPT for Sheets and Docs. And now you need to get OpenAI API, but it's very simple. You just log into your OpenAI account and head into API page here, and then click Create a new secret key. Then you just insert it into the Google Sheet add-on and you're good to go. Google Sheet and OpenAI can now talk to each other, and all you have to do is now just simply use the formula equal GPT and then commas. Also, just very quickly, if you are looking for the internet best ChatGPT prompts for copywriting or SEO, I handcrafted all these prompts that are saving me thousands of dollars per month. Right now they're available on my website, michalmikush.com, with 50% sale, so go and check it out. I've probably made over thousands of presentations in my life. Just this last week I made presentation on marketing tender and it was very time intensive. I spent 2 days making this presentation and little did I know that I could have saved myself a lot of time. Here is a tool that is called Beautiful.ai, and this tool can make the whole presentation for you. It can actually make you a presentation in a few clicks, whether it's for a school, a work presentation, or your personal project. From this moment, presentations don't have to be created slide by slide and element by element. You can give it a prompt to create a presentation like this, and it will create the whole presentation. And yes, it does create text, and yes, it does create images with the help of ChatGPT. And if you don't like the specific wording, you can regenerate them and change the tone. One of the biggest pain points of creating a presentation is to create graphs and data with a well understood way. And this is where this tool actually stands out. These graphs are easy to understand and easy to build. For me, it was just a no-brainer. And yes, this is not a free tool, but hear me out. It costs only $12 per month, and for what you are getting, it could be even a great investment. I discovered that presentations like these are very often delegated to online freelancers on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. And for presentations like this, you can easily make from $30 up to $300 per presentation, and this unlocks new revenue streams, allowing you to monetize your $12 subscription. I am not even sponsored to say that, but trust me, this tool is absolutely worth your time, and you'll be amazed at how it revolutionizes your presentation game. And you can test this tool for free on their website. They provide a homepage window where you can prompt how the slide should look like. So I've put it through the test and here's what I got. I asked the software to provide me a slide that is introducing saving 10 to 20 hours with AI presentation generator for $12, and this was the result. A very easy and simple graph that was even animated, and all of that was done in a few seconds without giving it much thought. If you didn't hear about NeRF, well, then you are here for a treat with the next AI tool. This might be easily one of the most underrated AI technology for photos. If you are like me, you rather take photos on holiday, not videos. But it doesn't really mean that I wouldn't prefer to have some dynamic memories. And that's exactly what this tool does. It combines all the photos that you took on your camera, and with the help of AI technology, it creates this dynamic video. In a nutshell, NeRF takes the series of the photos and learns to generate new images from different angles, making you feel like you are right there actually in the scene. All of this magic you can do with the software like NeRF Studio, which is a game changer because it's completely free, and that will make it easy for you actually to use the NeRF technique, a simple way to create, train, and see the results of the NeRF. And putting together images from multiple angles is one thing, but rendering the missing images is what makes this technology incredibly good. In our head, this is how we process things. When we don't see the part of the object, our brain is guessing and tries to paint the missing image. And that's why I have no doubt with this tool, you can easily create a new category for wedding, business promotions, and self-promotion on the online marketplace. And it's pretty good money. And the next AI tool is Zoom. And I know what you're going to say, this isn't the tool no one is talking about. And that's why I kept it for the end. While Zoom is a tool you surely know, there is a hack that almost no one is using. And online meetings are such an important part of our life, so just this simple boost in productivity will save you a lot of time. And with this recent AI emerging tools, Zoom is actually not falling asleep at the wheel. In fact, just to make a transcript of your calls is opening new possibilities with the new language models, with what you can do with it. As an example, you can download the transcript from the meeting, and then what you can do is copy paste in a tool like ChatGPT that can make you a meeting summary, which can be helpful not only for both sides to look back on your conversation, but also for colleagues that didn't make it on a call. And the best part is that all of these conversations are becoming searchable. My personal favorite trick is to actually use ChatGPT Super Prompt, which scans the entire transcript and generates a fantastic to-do list for you. It is a game changer. Basically, it creates a to-do list that reflects the whole conversation with your party, and it works like a charm. And for you guys, because you are the besties, I made this ChatGPT Super Prompt for free, and you can access it on my website. Really, transcripts in Zoom are completely free, and if you are not using it, you are missing out. It seems like a small thing, but I guarantee you, we will be looking back and thinking like how crazy it is that we didn't use this on a daily basis. All you have to do is to log into your Zoom account, go to the settings, and where it says automated captions and full transcripts, and you just toggle that feature on and you're good to go. If you are looking for something more advanced for Zoom, they launch a new product called Zoom IQ for Sales. And this add-on helps you to understand that the overview of the meeting, giving you feedback and score. It analyzes the sales meeting and deals to provide actionable insights for opportunities and risks, and ultimately improving you as a salesperson. And I think that's a wrap, but one last thing, have you heard about autonomous AI? I made this video about it, so check it out.